y'all this curly unit from my brand. And I'm gonna show it to y'all first. The lace. And both sides, it comes with a band inside of it. It comes with combs inside of it. Real full. The back is wet, but the front is dry. And then, yeah. I bleached it last night and did everything that I need to do to it. I don't know why I'm talking like I'm whispering like somebody else is inside the house. But we getting ready to install this wig. I already showed y'all just a second ago like how the wig look. This is it. I plucked it and everything already. And as y'all can see, I got my cap on. So I'm gonna go ahead and like cut the cap and just get to work. Y'all can watch me from here. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all have any questions or want to purchase some hair is available for pre-order right now. And you can buy you some enviable tresses. But y'all just watch and I'm gonna get started.
That fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now.
So I just finished cutting the excess cap off and I'm getting ready to put my makeup on my cap, and I'm going to be using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color 13, and I'm going to be putting that all over the cap.
You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose without.
Now I'm just fitting the wig on my head, and as you can see, you don't really need makeup on it. I do end up putting a little bit on top, but it's definitely optional with this unit.
In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose without with you.
So as you can already see, I started putting the glue on, and I'm using bowl hold. I did not use tape this time. I just used the bowl hold and I did 3 layers. So I let the glue dry completely, and then I'm getting ready to put the lace down into the glue. Make sure you use the back of your comb to press it in. I usually use my hands. I know a lot of people are against using hands, but I do use my hands to push my lace in as well, just for some extra stick. But you'll see everything as I go on in the next clip.
Nobody like you do, you do.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical.
So here I am going to be cutting out the excess lace and the excess lace, because girl, I'm talking about excess lace, and I'm also gonna cut around the ears before I tie my band down, and you'll just see me doing that in the next few clips.
Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, true, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Brother, get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper, stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. Hey, look, bro, hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Just follow behind in the years. When it works, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know I got up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and coppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the car, let her feel the sun. I'm broke, see his pop out 5,000 money. Got this bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my collar, we stacking up wallow and collar. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them drip, little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, split up the new BM up. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right or left. And you can't cut the car, ain't no key in there. Just put lost in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. Wanna stop because I'm worried. Check the trunk, I'm counting more fake. Sky scroll, it's me, we in a prison. Time to 50, flying, rich and mellow. But they got me to his temple. The colors, they play me to the temple. I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50.
So this is how the lace turned out. You see it's really melty, and I decided to go with a middle part, and now I'm just gonna wind curly and do some curls. We're not doing any baby hairs with this look, so you can watch me do that. finished up my hair and I did my little makeup off camera. And this is the finished look, but I'm gonna just let y'all keep watching.
So that's the end of my hair video. If y'all have any questions, how I plucked, how I bleached, how I styled, anything that's not shown inside the video, y'all just comment below and I will. I'm sorry because I got a video playing at the same time. But that's the end of the video. This is how my hair turned out, real cute. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and put on some clothes so y'all can see the full effect of the hair. And in like the Aries season, y'all know I had to put this on. It's that season when niggas gotta check for no reason. It's that season when niggas gotta check for no. Trying to blow it back, trying to blow it back. So if y'all like that video, y'all can like, comment, and subscribe. And when y'all ready for some more hair tutorials, I got y'all. Bye.